Okay. Shockingly, somehow I'm like reading before 10 o'clock at night, so that's cool. But does that mean we're gonna read more? TBD. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna say probably not. Alright. 綾子は仕事に行くとき、毎日その人の見ます。でも、その女の人は話した時はありません。Okay. Maybe when Ayako goes to work, every day she sees the woman. But the woman doesn't speak to her. When she goes to work, Ayako sees this woman every day, but she has never talked to her before. That's pretty close, and I don't think I've ever actually successfully translated some of that sentence or sentences, so that's pretty bad. その女の人はいつも本を読んでいます。The woman, I'm not sure what いつも is, but it's weird because like I know it's not saying the woman is going to read a book, but it's something about the woman reading a book. The woman is always reading a book. Okay, so maybe itsumo is always. Imas. Oh, because imas is just is. Okay, right. Okay. So, sono ona no hito wa, so the woman is, the woman reading a book, yonde imasu. So, de imasu is like ing. So it's gotta be some kind of conjugation of imas, and yon is book. So itsumo is definitely always. Okay, cool. That was exciting. どうしよう話してみようかなどうしてOh no, sorry, it's not どうしてどうしようwhat do I do? 話して something about talking. Maybe I want to talk to her. Kana still is weird to me. I really need to look what that means. でも、何を話そういいかな But what would I say? Oh, but what should I talk about? Which is what I thought it was, but I don't know why. Okay, but what should I talk about? Similar, I guess, in translation, but weird. All right. Ayako wa issho kenmei kan ga imasu. Ayako is thinking about what to say very hard. 1分、3分、そして10分が経ちます。1 minute, 3 minutes, then 10 minutes, I think it's go by. 1 minute, 3 minute, 10 minutes have passed. 次の駅で綾子は降りなければいけません。Oh, okay. 次の駅で it's like when they get to the station, Ayako she needs to get off at the next station. I'm calling that successful and a day. So, ciao, later.